Guess what I got from Amazon? New steamer. Oh yeah. This is the Nano Ionic facial steamer. It was actually a really good deal. And I'm a sucker for good deals. I feel like a facial steamer should be part of your face washing routine. And I felt that way for a while, but now I'm officially joining the club. Directions. Headbands. We all need these when we're washing our face. Especially if you have bangs. Okay, so it comes with like a kitty headband. I'm more of a dog girl, but I don't mind cats. It also came with like face cleaning tools. I don't know if I'm daring enough to use these, but I hope I am. What am I, an esthetician? Now I got the scary tools. These are the kind of tools that when I'm getting a facial, I don't even want to see them. I don't know what they do. They just scare me. Well, I can take a guess what that one does though. Supposed to put this on clockwise rotation. Okay. Simple enough. It says it's gonna take 20 seconds to start steaming. I'm gonna say that that's accurate. It's already steaming. Quality. If I have sparked your interest to get a facial steamer, you can use the link in the description below to get one on Amazon.